The 1.8 billion pesos or about 21 million US dollars feed mill complex, touted as vital to industrial development in Isabela, was formally opened and blessed after more than a year of construction in Barangay Cabanungan 2nd in this city. The facility will use corn grown by farmers in Ilagan as raw material for the feed milling requirements. Regional Executive Director Rosemary Aquino of the Department of Agriculture Cagayan Valley said during the opening rites that the facility, a collaboration among three corporations, the Thailand-based Charen Pok Fund Foods, Cassette Fund or FAMSUM Group, and Sagittarian Agri-Philippines Incorporated, would beef up integration services for the corn and livestock industries and strengthen the public-private partnership.
Doon nga natin kinapitalize yung lakas natin dahil we are the corn capital, so doon nag-umpisa lahat. Kailangan i-address natin kasi dati yung mais natin, kernel na binebenta-benta lang natin outside of Isabela, outside of Ilagan, dinadala sa Batangas, sa Laguna, sa Bulacan. Ngayon na talagang ginawa natin ang paraan na initially noon mga forward integration. Dito na natin i-process kasi ilalabas natin, ipaprocess na feeds doon, iuuwi nila rito, bibili ng mga farmers natin na mahal. Ngayon, dito na mismo, yung mais natin, hindi na kailangan i-transport, dito na mismo nila ibenta.
Itong feed mill ko ay around 1.8 billion. 1.6 yung initial, kaya lang nagdagdag ng 200. Kaya naging 1.8. Kaya lang, maliban ho kasi dito sa feed mill, meron pa po tayong mga breeder, swine complexes, mga piggery ho. Kagaya ng sinabi nila, ngayon ho, nagpo-produce na sila dito ng around 500,000 na piglet kada taon. Ngayon yung tumutulong mo sa atin kaya medyo mas stable na ang presyo ng baboy kumpara ng 4 years ago nung kasalukuyan yung ASF na naubos ang mga baboy.
Kaya natin lahat, yayaman na magsasaka at titingaliin din ang farmers natin, lalo na sa region 2. Kasi major source tayo ng food. Major sources tayo ng staple crops. Number 1 tayo sa corn. We are almost close to more than 500% sufficiency level on corn. It's only region 2, meron yan. So dapat, dito na lahat ma-process, Kasi wala nang rason eh. And maybe, yung patuloy na lumalaki ang production ng corn, nag-invite yun ng investor. Na sinasabi nila ngayon, okay, we will put the investment here kasi in terms of sustainability of the supply of the raw materials for their business also is assured na rin.